Hello and welcome to today's art lesson. Today we are going to talk about Frida Kahlo and we have a special visitor. Her name is Mariam.
Hi everyone! I'm here with you today and I'm going to be talking about Frida Kahlo. She often used to wear flowers on her head like this.
Yeah, they are so lovely.
Yes.
This is Mariam and she is going to talk about Frida Kahlo. Who was Frida Kahlo?
Frida Kahlo was a Mexican painter who was known for her surreal and very personal works.
Like this personal?
Not that.
Very personal?
Not that kind of personal. Personal in a way that it's about her own life, herself, because we'll get to it later.
Yes, so what was her life like? Was it very interesting?
She was born in 1907 when Frida was 6 years old. She had polio.
What is polio?
Polio is an illness that left her disabled.
Oh, no. And what happened next?
She studied medicine and was going to become a doctor.
And so why didn't she become a doctor and she became a painter?
We'll get onto this.
Okay.
But after a traffic accident, another accident.
Oh, so first she had polio and then she had an accident.
At age 18, which badly injured her. Frida no longer continued her medical studies and took up painting. So this is the part where I was talking about in the beginning, where she didn't become a doctor and became an artist.
Wow.
She painted in her bed since she couldn't move or get out. And to be honest, it made her feel happier.
Yes, painting makes me happy as well. Does it make you happy? Does it make you happy?
Yeah. Write in the comments down below if painting makes you feel joyful.
So she started painting. What happened? What did she paint? Did she paint landscapes or stars or buses? What did she paint?
She used ideas about things that had happened to her. Her paintings often showed pain, bright-coloured Mexican culture,
and like your flowers.
Yeah. And nearly half of her paintings were self-portraits. Like
What
these.
is a self-portrait?
Well, self-portraits are when you paint yourself, which we are going to be doing today. Frida Kahlo style.
Wow! So, let's get started.
But first, we need to show the viewers how her paintings look like.
Yes. So, these are some of her paintings.
Ooh, that was really pretty.
Yes,
Yeah.
and a little bit painful.
Yeah.
So, since it's a self-portrait and I'm a chimpanzee,
you have to do a chimpanzee. But I have to tell you one thing. You have two options. You can either cut out a hole inside the paper, or you can paint your face. I would suggest cutting a hole in the paper.
I can't paint my face. I will cut out the hole and then I'll put my face into it. Okay?
Okay.
So, let's get started.
Okay, but wait. I might not be in the video when you paint it.
Yes.
But you can see my hand helping around.
Yes, you'll be helping us, right? Good.
Yes.
So now, let's do it.
Let's get started! Woohoo! Yippee! Frida Kahlo.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to keep safe, keep healthy, and wash your hands.
And please like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, you want a cappuccino?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Bye.
Cut a hole for your face inside the paint, inside. And either do
Painting.